Welcome back, folks. Greg Silverman here, CIO's Bow Ties, another session of Come Learn With Me, where we take the most popular articles from last week based on likes and shares, and we go through it together, and we do a bit of a learning session. Sydney Harbour in the background. Sydney Harbour, there you go. All right, let's check it out. So this one's from energyworld.com. Borosil Renewables to double solar glass capacity, investing 500 rupiah. Looks like an Indian article. Okay, so we're back in solar space. Mumbai, Borosil Renewables, the sole domestic manufacturer of solar panel glasses, is doubling its capacity to 900 tons per day with the investment of 500 crore. A top company official has said. The city-based company, a part of the Borosil Group, that is the market leader in laboratory glasses and other consumer glasses, currently has a 450 ton per day solar panel glass capacity at its Baruch plant. Baruch is a Hebrew word, which is enough to power 2.5 gigawatts of solar power plants. Well, with the brownfield expansion at the Baruch plant in Gujarat, the capacity will jump to 900 tons per day, or 5 gigawatts of installable capacity of solar power plants. That's quite a lot. The new plant, at an investment of 500 crore, should be up and running by July 2022. And this is the second doubling of its capacity in the past 5 years. Kheruka, the managing director of Borosil Group, told Kheruka last month was enlisted into the World Economic Forum's Young Global Leaders for 2021, said the solar panel glass business was loss-making for long, and it was only in the recent months that it turned around. Borosil Renewables is in a unique position, not only for being the sole domestic manufacturer of solar panel glasses, but also its business is protected from an anti-dumping duty on its own competition, imports, and thus not having any price-setting power. Since the anti-dumping duty was slapped, its share price has soared around 500% on 52-week low in March 22. Kheruka said the company was earlier known as Gujarat Borosil. This is the second doubling of capacity addition in 5 years after the 235 crore expansion in 2015. He is hopeful of the company's more than doubling the top line, just concluded financial 21 at 500 crore from 240 crore in 20, along with a fatter bottom line, which he does not quantify. For the parent Borosil, he expects a flat top line of 600 crore given the loss of business in the first half. That's interesting. They attribute 240 of the 600. Borosil manufactures around 600 consumer and laboratory glass products at its Jaipur, Nashik, Pune, and Tarapur plants. In the solar panel glass business, which is globally controlled by China, with around 90% market share, Borosil meets 40% of the domestic demand of 650 ton glass per day, while the rest is import from China and Malaysia. Kheruka said the company exports only 20% of its present solar panel glass capacity to Europe, the primary focus being Germany, Spain, Portugal, Russia, and Turkey, and also the US. The Borosil Group was founded in 1962 in collaboration with Corning Glass of the US, comprised of two publicly listed entities, Borosil Limited and Borosil Renewables Limited. Is into laboratory glass products and solar panel glass, and is a dominant player in both segments. In 1988, Corning sold back its shares to the current promoters. Now there you have it. So an expansion in glass manufacturing for solar. Okay, well, interesting that people are still keen onto solar. That might bode well for the industry. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for joining me.